Welcome to our square tag album in a box video. This is featuring our Fly to Fancy album kit, and you can see with those album kit supplies just how much fun you can have creating this fabulous album. So let me show you all of those details. So you're going to get that album in a box like this, and it comes with the pre-made album insert. We're going to decorate that up, and then we will add it to the inside of our album. You can see we're also going to be using those square tags, and Carla Lavera, who's created this for us, has done an amazing job really adding some fun interactive elements and using up all these pieces to their fullest. So we've got some journaling cards in here just ready for you to jot down your memories. This fun little interactive detail here, and then this is going to flip open like so. We've got more journaling cards. You can see we've got a nice little coordinating pattern. It's in a nice cohesive look. And then this will open up, revealing some more spots for your photos. And then open this up. And we have a fun way to use up those cut apart journaling cards. A little DIY tag here. And then Carla's used those stickers and other pieces like the rub-ons in such fun and clever ways, creating this little frame and adding that rub-on there. Here we've got a pocket page where we've taken a chipboard tag and just added some paper and sticker on the back. This is just going to slide in here, so this is a great spot for you to add in your extra photos or memorabilia as well. This opens up here. So you can see it's a great design, and it's going to be really easy to recreate and decorate yourself. So let us know in the comments what kind of photos you're going to be adding to your Fly to Fancy album. Maybe birthday photos, some summer vacation photos. We'd love to hear it. And then with our last page, one last tag fold out and a gorgeous little sticker here. So it's a gorgeous album and so fun and easy to recreate. And then of course we have our little DIY paper closure up here with a tag that opens up with another rub-on the front. Just adding so many fun, delightful details. To create this album, you're going to need to pick up our Fly to Fancy album kit, which includes this special edition button, the ivory album in a box. This comes with the pre-made box and the album insert, a set of square ivory tags. You get 9 of these. And then for the Fly to Fancy, we're going to give you the chipboard tags and frames of 30 different pieces. The rub-on transfer set, you get 2 different sheets in here. The cardstock stickers, which comes with 2 6x12 sheets. The 12x12 collection pack. Of course, the project sheet that has the step-by-step directions with colored photos so you can recreate that album. And then a handy zip top bag to store all your leftover goodies in. You can pick up this kit on our website at g45papers.com or by heading down to your local Graphic 45 retailer. And be sure to check out our Fly to Fancy card video as well. And if you haven't picked up the kits already, go ahead and you can pick up both of these kits a la carte, or you can become a subscriber to the card kit or the album kit or both, and you'll receive these in the mail every time they're available. It's approximately about every 6 weeks. You'll get new products with every kit, and we'll teach you new fun and fabulous techniques. So go over to our website, g45papers.com, to check out our kits. And we thank you for joining us for this video. And as always, happy paper crafting.